Welcome back to Abyssale 101. Ever spent hours making sure every design matches your brand guidelines? Say goodbye to that headache. Today, we're exploring the Creative Hub, your secret weapon for perfect brand consistency with just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Brand presets let you save your brand's visual elements like logos, colors, and fonts. This ensures consistent branding across all your marketing materials and saves you considerable time when creating new designs. Imagine this. What used to take 30 minutes of manual work, finding your logo files, copying hex codes, and setting up fonts, now takes just seconds. For teams managing multiple campaigns or clients, this can save hours every week. Let's start by accessing the Brand Preset section. In the left sidebar of your Abyssale dashboard, click on Creative Hub. This is where all your brand elements are managed. Before we create a brand preset, let's quickly cover custom fonts. If your brand uses a specific font that's not in our library, you'll want to upload it first. In the Creative Hub, go to the Fonts section. Click on Add New Font Family. Upload your font files. Name your font family and click Add Font. Your custom font will now be available throughout Abyssale, including in your brand presets. Now, let's create a brand preset from scratch. Click on Create New Brand Preset. Give your preset a name. You can use your brand name or a client's name. Import your logo by clicking on the Upload area. We recommend using an SVG file for best results. Add your brand colors by clicking Add Color. You can enter hex codes or use the color picker. Choose your main font from our Google Fonts selection or from your custom uploaded fonts. Once you're done, scroll down and click Create Brand Preset. And just like that, your new brand preset is created and ready to use. Now, let's see how to apply your brand preset to a new design. When creating a design, you'll have the option to select a brand preset right away. For existing projects in the editor, click on the drop-down menu in the top left. Select Apply Brand Preset from the menu. Once done, you can select elements saved in your brand preset directly in each layer where you can select them, and your colors will also be displayed in their respective section. For text, simply add new text and the font will automatically be the one entered in the brand preset. Quick tip: if you don't see your custom font weight appearing, make sure you've uploaded all font weights, like regular, bold, italic. And remember, any changes to your brand preset will be available for future designs but won't automatically update your existing ones. And there you have it. Designers save time, marketers can create on-brand materials without design help, and everyone produces work that looks professionally cohesive. No more, "Is this the right blue?" or hunting for logo files. Ready to unlock even more creative superpowers? Hit subscribe and check out our full Abyssale 101 playlist.